Well, Bombay Stock Exchange, one of the most oldest stock exchanges of Asia and most prestigious one, has got a crown jewel in its portfolio, which is the Star MF platform. Now, Star MF platform has been doing phenomenally well last couple of months and quarters despite of COVID, making record transactions both in volume terms as well as value terms. And we understand that Bombay Stock Exchange is actually planning a value unlocking drive in this Star MF platform. ICICI Securities, we understand, is the transaction advisor, and they are in talks with marquee investors across the world for picking up minority stake in Star MF platform. Now, Star MF platform is being valued at close to 2,000 crore in our knowledge, and the kind of investors which have shown interest and are lining up to pick up stake are FIntech companies, large FIntech companies operating in India, who are also sellers of financial products on their platform, have lined up. Large banks have also lined up, where they are distributors of mutual funds in their branches, so it synergizes with their business model. Along with that, we understand that global institutions who have interest in Indian financial inclusion story. Apart from that, we understand that some of the private equity players who have got a portfolio of similar companies in their portfolio are also interested. So very interesting mix of companies are wanting to line up. Now this transaction is moving forward. Discussion is being done between the management as well as the possible potential investors. But we understand that this should be finalized very shortly. We try to understand what stage is it in and all of that details, but the management refused any comment regarding this story of ours. But if you look at the way financial inclusion in our country is actually growing leaps and bounds, mainly insurance and mutual fund, because other asset classes like real estate are not doing very well. Gold in the interim did very well, which is not very liquid. So people do not have fixed deposits already. If you take the taxes into account, don't yield anything these days. So people are being nudged into a corner in mutual funds, and there is in the young millennial population, there's a lot of interest in opting towards mutual funds as a investment avenue. And platforms like Star MF, which are very high technology backed, are doing very well to capture this increased demand as far as the mutual fund interest and appetite is concerned. Even the SIP book, if you look at last couple of months, their SIP side of the business has been growing very well, and that is why we understand that the kind of investor or the category of investor which are lining up to pick up stake is a very interesting one.